This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable bento boxes, specifically these great multi-compartment disposable bento boxes that make a fantastic alternative if you're looking for something to replace the styrofoam and plastic alternatives that you come across more commonly. They're a 3-compartment setup, meaning you have a great large area for your main dish and 2 smaller ones for your sides. And they come in 2 sizes, the 51 ounce that you see here, and the larger 78 ounce, which you see behind. Huge, great for super big portions. And there are actually 2 lines here. You have your craft colored biotech boxes, which make a great disposable option and are made of craft paper and have a nice, great grease resistant and leak resistant lining in them. And then you have the Ecotech boxes, which are actually 100% compostable, which is fantastic. They have a PLA based lining, so they're nice and grease resistant, but they're also a really great alternative to styrofoam and plastic because they're also 100% compostable. So these are great sturdy boxes made out of craft paper with a nice little flap closure to help keep everything in. And they're great for any restaurant, takeout, food truck, where you're looking to package up large portions. So they're nice, generous sizes, and they can really hold some weight.